Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, July 23rd. We continue reading from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled Grace Comes to the Wave. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Thich Nhat Hanh. Enlightenment for a wave is the moment the wave realizes that it is water. At that moment, all fear of death disappears. Much like the life of ordinary waves, we as human beings are gathered in our passion out of a larger home, that sea of infinite spirit, and propelled from an unfathomable depth, we mount and curl and crest and spray, only to subside back into that from which we come. Profoundly, grace comes to the wave when it realizes what it is made of. Since it has risen from the very same water into which it will crash, its fear of ending is somehow lessened, for it is already a part of where it is going. Can it be that you and I, like simple waves, experience such an enlightenment the instant we realize that we are all made of the same water? Can truly knowing this, the way that wave knows wind, lessen our fear of death? I think I experienced something like this while healing from my rib surgery. I was broken of all difference, dashed of all the ways I could distinguish myself from others. In this tired and dizzied state, I could see that we're all made of the same stuff, and that life before me and after me is probably no different than the lights and shadows flickering off my cells right now. Like the wave, aware that it is water, I realized briefly that my skin is a very thin boundary, and that wherever I am going is the same as where I am. As a human being, now aware of this larger sea of spirit, my fear of death has lessened. Though even as I write this, I don't want to die. I think now that the other way to read all this is to say that enlightenment is the moment we realize that we are made of love. At that moment, all fear of living disappears. For grace comes to the heart when it realizes that it is made of and what it has risen from. In that moment, grace comforts us that no matter the joy or pain along the way, we are already a part of where we are going. Enlightenment for a heart on earth is the moment we accept that it is the loving that makes waves of us all, again and again and again. Wow, what a beautiful reflection, isn't it? So now let's take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Natural breath, nice and soft. Allowing all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Breathing slowly, meditate on the nearest window. Note how the same air gathers outside the window and inside the window. Keep breathing softly, naturally, and reflect on how your mouth is like that window. Note how the same air gathers outside of you as well as inside of you. Allow yourself to relax completely and try to follow just one breath from the very beginning to the very end. From the moment the air in front of your nostrils becomes your breath as you inhale, to the moment when you exhale and your breath becomes the same air again. See if you can do that a couple of times, tracing just one breath at a time, from the very beginning to the very end. And now let's layer on the breathing mantra, So Hum. Remember that this mantra reflects the sound of your breath and it has a contemplative meaning, which could be translated as I am all that is. So for the next few breaths, silently say So as you inhale and hum as you exhale, and feel the essence of everything move in and out of the window that is you. So hum, feeling everything move in and out of the window that is you. So hum. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of the practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this beautiful reflection. As Mark Nepo says, enlightenment is the moment we realize that we are made of love. At that moment, all fear of living disappears. For grace comes to the heart when it realizes what it is made of and what it has risen from. In that moment, grace comforts us that no matter the joy or pain along the way, we are already a part of where we are going. Is this your experience as well? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.